Hi, my name is Amy. Welcome to Quiz This. Are you ready for a challenge that will keep you on your toes? This one's tough, designed to test your skills and keep things exciting. Let's see how well you can handle it. Good luck. Thanks for playing, trivia enthusiasts. How'd you do? Drop your score. I'm craving to know. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always in the loop for the next irresistible challenge. Share with friends and see if they can beat your score. Until next time, stay intrigued. I'll see you soon.